Here's how to change the spring assembly on your Squirrel Buster Plus. Let's open the cover, push down and turn it counterclockwise, lift and remove from the hanger. Then at the bottom, unscrew the wing nut. Remove the red cap. Slide the dowel pin out. The red cartridge cap as well. And lift the spring assembly that you don't need anymore. Take the new one, remove the nut. You'll need to use this nut. Slide this in. Now place the red cartridge cap back on, the dowel pin, and the center rod red cap too. Push it down like this. Now take the new nut and finger tighten it at the bottom. Like this. And let's put the cover back on. Hook it onto the dowel pin. Now let's locate the notches here on the cover and align one of them with the yellow dot on the tube. So you got one and that. Now push the cover down and turn it clockwise to close it. There we go.